Hi, this is another weekly report by TradeSciences.com. Thought I'd go over the closing of the trade for today and why we did it. So here we go. We can take a look. What we're trying to do is match the technicals with the news, basically fundamentals. As you can see, there's a news headline here of dramatic late rally drives back the S&P back into black, but the other two didn't make it, NASDAQ or the Dow. We had taken a position in the QID, and as you can see, if you looked at the video from July 26th, we had mentioned that we had broke the 50% line, sold the position. We were waiting for a retracement. It did extend a little bit farther than we thought, no big deal, but it did retrace. That retracement was 50%. Another one of Gann's rules, the 50% line. So we were looking to make another entry, and of course it continued on its trend. Now we sold today for a couple reasons, mainly because it again broke the 50% rule, and as you can see we have highlighted here the 51.59 mark, which is a ratio that we use to trade. And once it hit that mark, we knew the market was going to be weak. Our indicators are kind of at the top of the range, and to narrow that down we can look at the intraday. We have the QID. This is 60-minute again. Here the orange line shows the highlighted mark we were trying to hit, the 51.59. You can see the indicators are already at the top of the peak. They are, as they went through the squares, at the top of that square. The top line of that square matches with that line. So once it started hitting that, we knew it was time to get out, and again confirmed not only the news but with the indicators. Break it down even farther on the 5-minute chart. You can see we even have divergence in the MACD, and it already, as it's going up right here, the MACD is coming down right here. We are looking for our top to come out right here. We passed our line. Our indicators are way over the mark, so that's our warning there. You use those indicators and you have good direction and a pretty good idea where the market should go. Now we are currently waiting to see if this was just a simple pullback or the start of a new trend, and I will try and figure that out. Friday, it's going to be a crazy day. I couldn't even give you a clue on where it's going to start tomorrow, but next week I will have another report and give you some idea where we think it's going to go. Thanks.